Adobe Firefly gets a major AI upgrade with OpenAI and Google. Imagine having a creative toolbox that gets smarter and more versatile every day. That's exactly what Adobe is delivering with its latest move, integrating top AI models from OpenAI and Google into its popular Firefly app, now made mobile-friendly and more powerful than ever. This isn't just a tweak, it's a major upgrade that promises to reshape how creators work, experiment, and bring ideas to life. Adobe, the giant behind Photoshop and Premiere, has been quietly building its own AI magic inside Firefly since 2023. It's a safe space for generating images and videos, where users can produce stunning content without worrying about legal pitfalls. Even better, Adobe's open stance means it's open to third-party AI models, like the giants from OpenAI and Google, to join the party, enriching Firefly's toolbox. Now, with the latest update, Firefly isn't just a solo act. It's teaming up with OpenAI's GPT-powered image generator, Google's Imagen 3 and VO2, plus Flux 1.1 Pro, alongside Adobe's own Firefly. Adobe plans to add more partners, including FAL.ai, Luma, and Runway, soon, making sure users have a buffet of cutting-edge options. Ely Greenfield, Adobe's CTO for digital media, shared that even though many professional users prefer sticking with Firefly for its official safety and reliability, others want to explore and experiment with new AI models. Adobe is giving them that freedom and open playground for creativity and innovation. Plus, generating content now couldn't be simpler. Whether you're using Photoshop or another Adobe app, you can seamlessly integrate AI-created images and videos in just a few clicks, all through a familiar credit-based system. Adobe hasn't yet detailed how revenue sharing will work with its new partners, but the overall vibe is clear. This is about empowering creators with versatile, easy-to-use AI tools that keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.